Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there guys. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in today guys, and I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Guys, I am coming to you with something a little bit different. This is my first open invite. I am asking all creators to join me in an open invite collaboration to put some focus on mental health. Now, what I have in mind is a tablescape for May 2nd. That's Saturday, May 2nd. With an upload time of 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now guys, I don't have a lot of rules for this tablescape. You can do anything you want, any type of decor you want. I do ask that you include one of the 4 colors that are associated with mental health, and that's blue, silver, gray, or green. Again, that's blue, silver, gray, or green. You can include all 4, 1 of, 2 of, 3 of, whatever combination you'd like, but just please include one of those 4 colors. Now, I ask that you title your videos Mental Health Tablescape 2020, and that will also be the hashtag Mental Health Tablescape 2020. Guys, doing some research, May has been Mental Health Month since 1949 in this country, and 1 in 5 of us will suffer some sort of mental health affliction at some point in our lifetime. So if you know someone that is suffering currently from this, or maybe you have a relative that has suffered, whatever the case may be, and you would like to dedicate this tablescape to someone, please feel free to do that. I also ask that you would do some research and tell us something we don't know about mental health. Just anything that you want to share. Again, anything that you think will help us, learn a little bit more about it and bring more awareness to it. I also ask that you include the playlist, which I have included in the description box. I've already created the playlist. Make sure that you put a link to the playlist in your description box of your video. I also ask that you put a link to my channel, which is DIY Design by CCW. I've included a link in the description box so that you can just copy that into your video, as well as, of course, include the hashtag. And I do ask that you would mention my channel in your video, as well as be subscribed to my channel. So that's it guys, not a lot of rules. Really just want to see what we can do to bring some awareness to this condition. As I was putting this together, I thought about the fact that in my community there is such, or in my culture I should say, there is such a stigma attached to mental health that many of us will suffer in silence and not get help. And knowing that 1 in 5 will suffer from this, it's not just my community, but obviously it's all walks of life. All of us may be affected with this at some point in our lifetime, or have one of our loved ones that will suffer. So, and people don't need to suffer in silence. They really should feel comfortable in seeking help, if they're having an issue. So again, I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope everyone will participate. If you do plan to participate, please leave me a comment down in the description box, or rather a comment on this video, letting me know that you plan to participate. Feel free to upload your video anytime. Just please do not have it go live before May 2nd at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me at DIYDesignByCCW@gmail.com. And again, I thank you so much for watching this video, and for being a subscriber to this channel, for all of your support. And I hope everyone is doing everything they can to stay safe in this crazy time that we're living in. And like I end every video, I always want to say, I thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.